Welcome. How are you all doing? I hope you are happy, healthy, and safe. Friends, we are from a country where we used to have gurukuls. We still have some. Then we appreciated classroom studies. Today, amid pandemic, we are introduced to this online study because we are not going to educational institutions like schools, colleges. So we are reintroduced to this e-learning. But the question arises, do we actually believe e-learning? No. We have seen many reviews, many views on different platforms that parents are not actually satisfied with this e-learning program. But do you think this dissatisfaction will actually lead us to Atmanirbhar Bharat? The answer is no. Let me share this with you. Actually, I read these articles in which I saw that parents are really not satisfied about e-learning program. But I was shocked when I read that they were even planning of dropping their child out of school. Really? Do you think in a country like India, which is a developing country, these things should happen? Actually, we should be open to technologies, we should be open to opportunities. Do you think this disbelief will actually lead to a constructive learning? No. So in this video, I'll be talking about three main things. That is, the reason why no student should be dropping out this year. Second, how can we actually make this time into an opportunity? And the third thing, what are the ways in which we actually can remove or suspend the disbeliefs that we have in our mind about e-learning? The question is, can 2020 be removed from the calendar? Is it possible to remove 2020? When it is not possible to remove 2020 from the calendar, why are we allowing it to mark a black star on our resume? Friends, schooling is a process. It is not about one or two classes. It is a complete process which has to be done in one go. If you drop from your school today and suppose 10 years later somebody asks you the reason of your dropout from school, will this reason of pandemic be able to justify the dropout? Do you think it can do so? When we have e-learning platforms, when educational institutions are providing all the facilities, when you are able to learn while sitting at your home, do you think that this won't mark a black star on your resume? It will be a big setback to your career. Of course it can. Then I read these articles in which parents were shown concerned about the eyes of the children due to the screen time they are having these days. Friends, if we see that the children today are spending hours on television, are spending hours playing mobile games and other video games, if we cut the time from these things and devote some of this time to e-learning, the problem can be solved, I think, in a way. Otherwise, the screen time can become more beneficial for them. Moreover, if you still think that the screen time is affecting the eyes of the children, here are some simple tips. You may use rose water drops or cucumber slices, and it will surely reduce the exhaustion on the eyes. Then friends, if we talk about turning this time into opportunity, like talking personally, I myself think many times that I should learn this skill, I should learn that skill, but due to the hectic schedule, I'm unable to learn many different things. But this is the time when we do not have very hectic schedules, when we are learning online, we are not bound in a timetable. We can develop various new skills which we once desired of. So friends, this is the time. Amid difficulty, you have the opportunity. Use it. Now about suspension of disbelief. Friends, are you in an institution? If you are, then it is clear that you believed it, right? Then give them some time. Give them the time to create quality content. Give them some time to set up the things. And if still you're not satisfied with the quality or the content, also give them your constructive criticism. Constructive criticism is really important, especially in the times when we are learning something new, when we are in the developing phase. So friends, have faith. They'll give you what you desire. In my view, e-learning has various advantages. The first and my favorite is that we are able to learn while sitting at home. Then, many platforms provide us this opportunity to see the lectures any number of times at any part of the day. In today's dynamic world, these platforms also provide us with updated content and accessibility to expertise. Students get flexibility to juggle their careers in school as they are not bound to schedules. I hope you got the point. Share this with all the students, teachers and parents you know. Let's come together and fulfill our goal of learning and growing. Take care.